no. Oh well, someone will realize I'm gone and come looking for me. I'll be out of here in no time.
The National Weather Service in Canada has issued a tornado warning for the Canada state and city of Alberta until 3:39 p.m. At 2:30 p.m., confirmed large extremely dangerous rotation was reported near Alberta, moving 97 miles per hour. If you can't seek shelter, move inside. If you can't take shelter when the tornado is near or driving, move in under a ditch or duck underneath a bridge. Repeat, and tornado warning is in effect until 3:39 p.m. Go to www.canadaweather.org.
Greetings, Primitive.
SpongeBob, is that you?
SpongeBob? No, I am SpongeBob.